Hello everyone and welcome to the video today. My name is Elizabeth, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I find and buy domain names. So what I'm going to do today is actually buy a new domain and set up a website for it. I've decided to go ahead and start a new website, and so I'm just going to walk you through exactly how easy it is to do. I like to purchase my domain names through a platform called Wealthy Affiliate. The reason being is because this is where I host all of my websites. It's for one price you can host up to 10 websites, and so I like this platform better than some of the others. There's a bunch of platforms out there that you can buy domain names and then also host, but this is just the one I like, so I'm going to show you how easy it is here. I'm here in my Wealthy Affiliate back office, and all we're going to do is we're going to go to websites here, as you can see, and you see all these list of different things you can do. Here's two of my websites right here that I already have, that I've had for several years now, and you can go in and access them through the site manager. And then also you can write your blog posts, your site content, you can get comments, you know, a bunch of different tools here for your websites. But what we're going to do today is we're going to go here to Site Domains, which is where you can find domains and also buy them. Okay, so here's some of my websites already here. And these are the ones that I have registered here at Wealthy Affiliate. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to search up here for a website domain, and what this is going to do is it's going to show me what's available. So let me give you an example. So I have kind of brainstormed a few ideas, so I'm going to check and see if they're available. So I'm going to go with Affiliate Avenue. I want to see if that domain name is available. Okay, and here is the list of what is and what is not available. So affiliateavenue.com, no longer available. Okay, and that's common. A lot of the .coms are already taken, but you can get the .org, .net. You can change it up a bit with the dash here, and they give you a couple other options. And here you can see how much they're available for. $15.99. This one here is $13.99, which is actually a great deal for websites. That's going to give it to you for a full year. So that's not like per month or anything. Okay, so that one's not available. I really want a .com. You don't have to go with those. It really doesn't matter. A lot of people use the .nets and it's just perfectly fine. But I'm going to try to find one that's a .com. So let me try another option. Okay, Freedom Affiliate Lifestyle, and as you can see, it's working. Okay, and it is available. I want to double check the spelling on it, make sure I spelled correctly. Freedom Affiliate with the I, okay, lifestyle.com. Okay, and it is available for $13.99. So that's probably the one I'm going to choose. I think I've basically made that decision. I think it's a good name for a website, and it makes sense given what I do for a living, which is affiliate marketing. So all I would do here is I'm going to hit add to cart, and it already put it into my cart over here. Okay, so here it is, $13.99 per year. Great deal. So I want to go ahead and get this. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to checkout, and see how super easy that is. And for this price, $13.99 per year, I'm going to get all this stuff. I'm going to get emails associated with it, so I can set up my own email. So I can do elizabeth@freedomaffiliatelifestyle.com. I can do info@freedom. I can do a whole bunch of different emails. And so I've got the email. I've got the hosting that comes with it as well, if you're a Wealthy Affiliate member. We've got the backups and support, also site speed. That's a huge thing here for the Wealthy Affiliate hosting, and also privacy. So we're going to hit continue. And here's the domain pricing. Like I said, it's $13.99 per year, but you can change it if you want. If I know I'm going to have this for a long time, I can go ahead and click it in for 10 years. and you'll see how it changes. So 2 years, you're going to get it for $27.98. You know, if you could do a 5 year if you want, you could go ahead and pay today. So it's just whatever you'd rather do. I'll just leave it at 1 year for now, and you can always change this later in other years. When you go to renew, you can go ahead and change it and bump it up and say, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and keep this one for 5 to 10 years and go ahead and pay for it. So we're going to hit continue. So we're going to, this is just going to ask for a contact email address, which I have there already entered. Hit continue. Okay, and then you're going to choose your payment method. I'm just going to pay with PayPal. That's how I like to do it. And we'll just click this, yes, accept the domain terms of service, and then I'm going to complete payment and register my domain. See how simple that was? Super easy. Now all I have to do is install the website. So I've already got the domain name. Here it is, freedomaffiliatelifestyle.com. Privacy protection is on. So what that means, that has to do with anybody who looks up the domain on Whois. It says right here, yeah. Okay, so they're not going to see any of the information. So for instance, you know, all that, my name and my contact email and all that stuff, they're not going to see any of that. So the privacy protection is on. So then from here, I can just go to build a new website. This is all, like I said, this is all done within the Wealthy Affiliate platform. As you can see, I'm still in my back office here. Okay, and I'm going to walk you through really quickly how quickly it is, how easy it is to build a website. So this is going to be a domain that I own. Wealthy Affiliate also gives you free domains. Okay, now it's going to have this site Rubix.com at the end of it. Okay, but you can create your own. I did this at the beginning because they're free. But once I decided to go ahead and invest in myself, I decided to start, you know, having my own domains. It just makes more sense, and it's, since I'm serious about this business and this is how I make a full-time living, it just made sense for me to have my own domain names. Okay, so there it is, freedomaffiliatelifestyle.com. So it's clicked. And all you're going to do is going to walk through these steps. So we're going to enter a title for the website, which honestly is going to be the same as the website name. So you can change this if you want. So it's just going to be the same as my domain name. And step 4, you're going to choose a design for your website. And you have all these themes to choose from. Look how many there are. Okay, 3,966 different themes that you can choose. I have a couple favorites here, and then I've used 6 of them. So you're just going to go through and choose one of these, depending on how you want it to look and what you want it to be. And the cool thing about this is you can actually change the theme. So let's say you click one. Let's just choose this one here. First of all, you can go back and change the theme here, or you can just build the website. Now, what I would suggest you do is find one you like, but don't get too overly involved with it. Just pick one and then get started building your website. Because then once you have it built, you can go through and change that. Okay? So don't try to find the very perfect one and all that stuff. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna pick this one. And see, it moves pretty quickly. What all it's going to do is build it. It takes maybe 30 seconds at most. And then you have your website. I'm going to show you some of the other features here. So here's the site speed that I talked about. This is what Wealthy Affiliate offers if you're going to be hosting it within Wealthy Affiliate's hosting platform, which you get if you're a member of Wealthy Affiliate. If you're a premium member, you're going to get this hosting platform. Just a side note, the premium member price is $49 a month, and you can actually, it's less than that if you pay per year. So don't remember right off the top of my head how much it is per year, but it's going to be less in the long run. So you can do it either way. But what that's going to give you is hosting for up to 10 websites, You're also going to have all of this included: site speed, the free site SSL, which all websites need to have this now. It needs to be an HTTPS. This was implemented a couple of years ago, and this is free. You don't have to pay extra for it within Wealthy Affiliate. Okay. You're also going to have the Site Protect, which is a spam blocker. And here we're going to go down to some other features. You're going to have site health, site comments. This is something that you can engage with the other members of Wealthy Affiliate and get comments on your website. Also feedback, if you want people to take a look at your website and tell you what they think, and give you kind of some constructive criticism. And we also got, this is very important, your site support is available 24/7 within Wealthy Affiliate. Okay, you're not really going to find that anywhere else. So if you ever have a glitch or a problem with your website, you just reach out to site support and they're going to help you. Okay, and then site security. This is a big one as well. You obviously want to keep your website from being hacked or any of the malware and all those things that that can really mess up your website. You want to have all of these things. It's going to help keep your website running smoothly. So let me go back up here to the top and show you. We're just going to log in. Okay, so now we're in the back of the WordPress. This is the dashboard for my WordPress for this particular website. Okay, Freedom Affiliate Lifestyle right here. And I'll show you what it looks like. You can just click here. And obviously I don't have anything on here yet, so it's just going to be, these are just standard things that are written in here. Hello world, this is not a real post. You're just going to go through and click delete those and put your own in there. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard. And this is where you go through and you're going to create your post and your pages. You can change the appearance through the themes and customize. WordPress is a great way if this is your first time building a website. WordPress is so super user friendly. So this is another reason why I recommend Wealthy Affiliate, because they work with WordPress and your websites are going to be hosted here through WordPress. So, like I said, you can change the themes. Let me go back here to themes. Okay, and this is the one we currently have. It's active, and all you have to do if you want to change it. Let's say I like this one better. Okay, I'm going to do a live preview just to kind of look and see what it's going to look like. So this will be more of what it will, the theme of that website will look a little bit more like this. This will be how it's structured. Okay, so I'm just previewing it. If I want to change to that, I can just hit activate and publish. Or I could go through and change some of these things like the background colors, menu options, all these kind of things. Now, don't be like too intimidated by all of this because if you go back, let me go back to Wealthy Affiliate. I've already talked about this in a lot of my other videos, but what Wealthy Affiliate offers is all this training. So they're going to show you exactly how to build a website. Okay, this is all included in the membership as well. So not only do you get the hosting and the domain names and all of that, you're also going to get tons of training to show you exactly how to do this. Not only that, but also how to build a successful affiliate marketing business. Okay, so if you're here just for the training, great. If you want to go ahead and host some websites, that's how easy it is. And this is where I would go. You have classrooms as well. Okay, where everything WordPress, so anything you want to know about WordPress, you have all of these courses and tutorials. This is getting started with affiliate marketing, website development and programming over here, and search engine optimization. These are all things you need to know when you're building a website, but all of it's in here. I mean, this has the most amount of training and classrooms and everything that you need to know in order to build a website and monetize it. Okay? And there's so much more that's involved here with Wealthy Affiliate. This is just, I'm just touching, showing you the tip of the iceberg on this. But going back to what I was talking about, getting your website up and running, that's how super simple it was. Okay? All you got to do is create a post. Okay, we're going to add a new one. Put a title on here. Start writing. You know, the text to your post. You can add images, add links, all kinds of things. And it's all done within WordPress. So that's how easy it is to build a website. That's how fast, how easy it is to purchase a domain name and then have it already hosted on Wealthy Affiliate. You don't have to transfer it. You don't have to pay another hosting website to host it for you. Because just because you own a domain name does not mean that you have your website hosted on the web. You need to host it. So that's what I love about Wealthy Affiliate is it does all of that for you. And it gives you not only that, but it gives you all the training. So it doesn't just leave you it doesn't just leave you out there not knowing what you're doing. So okay, so that's how easy it is. If you want to join Wealthy Affiliate and host your own websites, also if you already have some websites and you want to transfer them, there is some training on how to do that, and it's actually pretty easy to walk through as well. You would just go back here and back to domains, and you can transfer one over. Fairly easy. So they make everything pretty seamless. But if you want to start from scratch and build your own website, this is also a great way to start it here. And so this is what I recommend to anybody who's wanting to start a blog or start any kind of website that they want to make money with. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link to Wealthy Affiliate in the description. All you have to do is sign up, and I will be in touch with you within the hour. And then if you want to have the domain names, the websites, all you have to do is become a member. And like I said, that's $49 a month. It's a great investment. You're not going to find that cheaper anywhere for the amount of tools and training and hosting that you get on Wealthy Affiliate. So that is my #1 recommendation. If you want to just try it out for free and kind of see what it's all about, you can also do that. That's not a problem. They offer free or a premium version. Okay, so I'll leave a link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.